patriotic Zimbabweans not attending national events, independence, heroes, and defense forces. And I always ask myself, if the parties are the government in waiting, how then are they going to respond to such commemorations when they're in power? Does it mean that by them not embracing them now, they'll equally get rid of them when they're in power? So it has certainly brought a lot of doubt in terms of the people, that is it really about their own personal agendas or it's about the people? I've questioned myself that we all know that we're an independent state, and independence was on the 18th of April, and that's our day of independence. Why can't we celebrate that as Zimbabweans and give respect to the people who liberated this country? Heroes again, the national shrine is there. Yes, we can debate on who's supposed to be there, who's not supposed to be there, but the whole idea, it is a noble idea. And there are people who are there who have nothing to do with what is going on in the current situation. Joshua Nkomo, Herbert Chitepo, Nikita Mangena, Josiah Tongogara, Salim Mugabe. You can name the whole list. So to me, when you're going there, you're going to respect heroes and heroines that have made this country to be what it is. I see the political parties not there, and I ask myself, but you know, are we also saying that Joshua Nkomo is part of what is going on now? Are we also saying that Tongogara is part of it? Why are we not mature enough to separate issues? And I think instill a culture in our people which will respect the founding principles of the revolution, which I think are important. No one denies the fact that Zimbabwe is where it is because of the liberation struggle. What then happens after the liberation struggle is something to do with the government of the day, but you cannot take away the aspect of us having been liberated by the gallant sons and daughters of these nations, who have not even benefited, some of them, from an economic point of view. Neither have their families benefited. If there's anything, the situation of the war veterans is quite sad in terms of their welfare and so forth. Defense Forces Day, don't we enjoy peace in this country? Don't you think that it's important for us to give credit to our security in the country, especially the defense forces, for the peace we enjoy, withstanding the economic hardships which are there? But we have peace. I know of countries where the economy is tough, but they're equally war-torn. So to me, these are days which are equally important. But what I'm trying to get to is, you want to be in power, but you're not embracing national patriotic days. What is your intention? And would I want to be associated with people with a personal agenda? No. You've got the military, the security, which is the last line of defense. They are there. They are brigadier generals who don't even wear any political uniform whatsoever, but they went to the struggle. Major generals, you name it, and so forth, who have contributed to this country, who are then given space at the Heroes' Acre to be buried there. Why stand in the way of them? What does the general have to do? MDC complains that 2008, the elections were rigged. But equally, there's also rumor that the army is one that eventually took over, being the last line of defense. In any society, in any country, the army is the last line of defense, and they must draw comfort in you. So how do they draw comfort in you when you cannot attend national events? So already you're fighting